Alright guys, just came out the barber shop, got another haircut. It's the second haircut this week. Reason being is because I'm going on vacation tomorrow. But anyways, as you guys read by the title of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much how laggy a rear mount turbo is and how to fix it. So for those of you guys that don't know, I drive a boosted 350Z and my turbo sits in the back by the exhaust. So a common misconception is that it's very laggy, it's not efficient. A lot of people think that if you, for example, race with it, by the time boost kicks in, your opponent will be gone. It's kind of true and it's kind of not. So I'm going to show you guys how laggy it is without brake boost and with brake boost. Just so you guys can see that, for example, if you race a car with this type of setup and you brake boost, it works just as good as a front mount turbo or a top mount turbo. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. But first, let's cross the border into Mexico. Now let's do one more little pull. I'm gonna just show you guys how much it lags when I just floor it with no brake boost. Alright, cross the border back into the United States. Made it home safe. Now let's talk a little bit about this. Actually, before we talk about this, let me add a few more clips of me brake boosting and of me not brake boosting. I'm gonna add a perfect example. I'm gonna add a clip of a race that that was my last video, so you guys could see how the car performs at night while racing with brake boost. So as you guys see by the clips that I just showed you guys, this turbo kit is not can you guys even see me? This turbo kit is not as bad as people make it seem. People make it seem like it takes days for that's the most annoying comment. Boost arrives in 3 to 5 business days. Like, bro, yes, it's laggier if you just floor it, but if you're racing, even if it's not rear mount turbo, you're more than likely gonna brake boost or use rolling anti-lag. I have rolling anti-lag, but I decide I'd rather not use it just because I'm stock motor, and I mean it's kind of dangerous for all the boosts to just smack the car once. If you guys notice, I don't brake boost the whole way. Like, it's not sitting at 13 pounds and just launches out. For that same reason, that I'd rather not put that much stress on my stock motor. I let it build to like about 5 pounds. Then I take off, which is more than enough because the car literally just takes off after that. But yeah, guys, the only disadvantage I would say right now of brake boosting is that my tires spin really bad. They're like regular Delente tires, they're cheap tires. I need to get either R888s or get a whole drag pack, which is probably what I'm going to end up doing once I get back from vacation, like I said earlier. And yeah, I mean, for those of you guys that are interested in boosting your VQ and possibly going rear mount, believe me, yes, it is laggy, but it's fixable. Rolling anti-lag or brake boost. A lot of people don't understand that, but it's okay. Now you guys know, and I hope this video was entertaining and useful for some of you guys that, like I said, want to boost your car and want to look like this while you're driving down the road. That's literally, so a lot of people also ask me why I did this kit instead of a front mount, a mid mount, or whatever. I literally did it because driving down the freeway, bro, that thing looks insane. Like, I've seen pictures where it looks, or videos where it looks sick. Like, the car just looks like really beefy and like not like, pretty much like, don't mess with me type of thing. And another comment that I get is like, oh, like cops won't see the turbo up there, so you're good. I feel like this is a lot worse than a top mount or a mid mount turbo, just because, I mean, if a cop gets behind me, you can kind of see it. So it's like a dead like giveaway, which I don't really care. I mean, yeah, I don't want to get like in trouble with the law, but at the same time, it's my hobby, so you gotta pay to play. But anyways, this car, I haven't driven this car like in 2 days. Actually, no, I drove it last night. I love this car so much. I love this car too. But anyways, go ahead and go inside and edit this video for you guys so you guys could see a video today. Like I said, it's like day number 10 of daily vlogging. I'm committed. I have 1 more day till, or 2 more days until like Vlogmas, I guess, ends. I might be taking a little break after that. Like I said, I'm going on vacation, so I'm not gonna have all the content because I'm gonna be away from my cars. But I'll probably still bring you guys, like I said, videos when I'm out there. But yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Hope it was useful for those of you guys that wonder how a rear mount turbo works. But if you guys did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.